In this video, we will study how to print the perfect square numbers present in the array. So here class name I have given perfect. So for this program we have to plan like first task is declare an array to capture user input. That means here the size of the array I have given 10. Okay. That means 10 elements you are supposed to enter. So here we are going to find the perfect square numbers. For example, perfect square numbers examples are 25, 49, 81, 16. These are the perfect square numbers. Okay, but 33 is not a perfect square number. Its square root is almost 5.47 something. That means there is a decimal portion. Okay, so now let us see the second task is append the user input to the array using for loop. Okay, so for that you're supposed to input the element into array. System dot interlen enter numbers in the array. Okay, then we have to give the for loop for int I equal to 0. Last element is present in 9th location, so I less than 10 we're supposed to give. Then I plus plus. Next array of I equal to in dot next. Okay, then next we're supposed to start another for loop for check each number in the array whether it is perfect or not. Okay, so that again we need to input. Okay, so here the next loop we are going to print the perfect numbers also. So dot ln perfect square numbers then again we need to start the for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. This loop we are checking whether the number is perfect or not. Okay, for example, suppose 49. 49 is a perfect square. Okay, how to check? We want to find the square root of the number. So square root of 49 is 7.0. Okay, then what is the floor value of that square root of the number? That means what is the floor of 7.0? It is also 7.0 itself. So the difference is 0.0. Okay, now another example, suppose 33. Okay, 33. So what is the square root of number? So square root is square root of 33, almost 5 point something, right? 33 is 5 point something. So we can take square root of 5.47 something. Okay. So what is the floor of that square root? It is also 5.0. Floor value of 5.47 is 5.0. So the difference is 0.47. It is not a 0.0. That means if the difference between square root and the floor value of square root is 0, then only we can tell it is a perfect square number. Okay. Now we are going to check whether it is perfect square or not. So for that, here I am taking another variable, one for storing the square. So math dot sqrt of array of I. Okay, now stored in sq. Then another variable to store the floor value. So double floor equal to math dot floor of sq. Okay, now find the floor of square root of that number. Next, I'm going to find the difference. So if sq minus fl equal to 0, then only we are supposed to print the array elements. Okay, so system dot out dot println what do you have to print? Array. So array of I. Okay, now close the for loop. Okay, compile it. No errors. Now close the program. Run it. Enter numbers in the array. So suppose first number is 4, then 16, 78, 25, 81, 29, 55, 33, 121, then 34. Okay, so among these numbers 4, 16, 25, 81, 121 are the perfect square numbers. Okay, hope it is clear.